Hey Sweet Heat fam, today I will be showing you how to make chicken and rice in one pan. Stay tuned. I'm starting off with chicken thighs. I'm just going to let that soak in some water and lemon juice to clean it. I'm cutting off the skin to the chicken because I don't really care for it, but you can keep the skin on if you want. I'm also cutting off some of the fat that is on the chicken. Seasoning the chicken, I'm using quite a few different seasonings. I'm using complete seasoning, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. I'm using chicken seasoning, paprika, and Worcestershire sauce. I meant to say make sure that you dry your chicken after you clean it because you want to make sure that the seasoning is going to stick to the chicken. So I'm making my own yellow rice and I'm chopping up some peppers and I'm going to chop up some onions to put in as well. And I'm chopping up the onions bigger because I don't eat them and it'll be easier for me to pick out. I just use it for flavor. You're going to put everything in a oven safe dish. I'm going to put my peppers, onions, and then I added more seasoning. And I also added turmeric for the yellow color to make the yellow rice. You can just make plain white rice if you want to. You don't have to add the turmeric. Just add some butter and your seasonings and your white rice. And don't forget to add salt to this. I didn't show it, but make sure you add salt. For every cup of rice, you're going to add 2 cups of chicken broth. So I'm making 2 cups of rice, so I'm using 4 cups of chicken broth. So again, I'm using white rice, and I did rinse it off, so it is wet. You want to make sure that you rinse off your rice before you cook it. I added a little bit more turmeric powder to make it more yellow. And then I just stir everything together and then I'm just going to place my chicken on top. You're going to bake it covered for about 45 minutes to an hour. It just depends on your oven time. You're going to bake it at 350 degrees. After about 45 minutes, I took it out the oven so that I can put some butter and garlic on top of the chicken just to give it a little bit more flavor, and then I'll put it back in the oven for the rest of the time. This is how it's looking after being in the oven for about an hour. You want to make sure that all of the liquid is absorbed in the rice. And I just want to thank you all for subscribing to my channel. We're finally at 4K. I really do appreciate y'all, and make sure you subscribe, comment, and like this video, and let me know how this recipe turned out for you.